Welcome to Weekly Rewind. Part of my week was spent in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, while I also spent time in Delaware. It was fun discovering a variety of Mother Nature's beauty in both states. On a cloudy morning, I made my way to Safe Harbor in Lancaster County. I had been there before, but not in the early morning hours. There was a mist in the air, so I wasn't able to get great footage of the rookery on the island below the bridge, but it was still fun to see the great blue herons, double-crested cormorants, and bald eagles roosting in the trees. Common ravens were very vocal as I walked on the bridge. The highlight for me was getting a life bird, the male Baltimore oriole. Many other birds were seen and heard during this visit. Be sure to check out the link at the end to learn more about the Safe Harbor, Trestle Bridge, and Dam. I'll return again on a sunny day to check out the rookery. My early morning trek to Noel Dorwart Park in Lancaster turned out to be very exciting. If you watched my short video uploaded earlier this week, you might recall seeing the piebald deer. It was fun seeing the variety of wildlife as I walked the trails. I ended my week with a visit to my friend's Certified Wildlife Habitat backyard in Lewis, Delaware. Many of the flowers have started to bloom, so it is much more colorful than it was just a month ago. Here's a short glimpse of what it looks like now, and who was visiting this morning. Check out the link at the end to learn more about Certified Wildlife Habitats and how you can help wildlife in your own backyard. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Don't forget to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.